What happens if you don't drink water for a week? My kid asked me this today. What would actually happen if someone stopped drinking water for 7 whole days? Most people think of thirst first, a dry mouth, maybe a headache, a strong urge to drink something cold. But water is not only about comfort. Water is part of nearly every process that keeps the body alive. Inside the human body, more than half of our weight is made of water. Blood depends on it to carry oxygen. Cells depend on it to maintain structure. Temperature control depends on it to release heat through sweat. Even the brain's chemistry relies on a stable balance of fluids. So when water intake stops, the body begins adjusting almost immediately. Within the first day, the body tries to conserve as much fluid as possible. Thirst becomes stronger. Urine becomes darker and more concentrated. The mouth and throat feel dry because the body is reducing fluid loss wherever it can. As dehydration deepens over the next couple of days, blood volume slowly decreases. With less circulating fluid, the heart must work harder to move oxygen through the body. This can lead to fatigue, dizziness when standing, and difficulty concentrating clearly. Not because energy suddenly disappears, but because circulation is under strain. At the same time, the kidneys are working continuously to filter waste from the bloodstream. Without enough water, this filtration becomes less efficient. Waste products begin to accumulate, and the body's internal chemistry becomes harder to balance. Temperature regulation also becomes unstable. Sweating requires fluid. Without it, the body struggles to release heat effectively, especially in warm environments. After several days of severe dehydration, multiple systems begin to feel the stress at once. Blood pressure may fall. Confusion can appear. Physical weakness becomes more pronounced. These changes are not sudden or dramatic at first. They are gradual signals that the body's protective balance is being pushed too far. The deeper reason is simple. Water is not stored in large reserves the way energy from food can be. The body depends on a constant supply. Small losses happen every hour through breathing, sweating, and basic metabolism. Without replacement, those small losses quietly add up until essential systems can no longer operate normally. This is why access to clean water has always been one of the most important factors for human survival throughout history, and it reveals something easy to overlook in everyday life. Drinking water is not just a habit, it is a continuous form of support for circulation, temperature, chemistry, and cellular stability happening quietly all the time. So when someone feels persistent thirst or unusual fatigue, the body may simply be asking for the most basic resource it depends on. Not stimulation, not energy, just water, because survival is often sustained by the simplest things.